Hey guys, and thank you for joining me. So in today's video I'm going to review this brow tattoo brow gel tint from the Maybelline. It has recently launched in India. It has launched with a couple of stuff. It has also come up with the foundation, which I have already reviewed on my channel. If you haven't seen that, I'm link here and click on the I button to see that. And this is how the packaging look like. You get a 5 ml product and it is priced at ₹625, which is not affordable for the brow product. So look at the consistency. It's more like a gluey kind of consistency. It has very gluey and goopy kind of consistency it has. So basically you need to apply it in your brows, let it sit for 20 minutes and you need to peel it off. It will give that tint kind of effect to your brows, and your brows will look fuller and it looks that you have applied something to your brows but you have no product. It's just going to tint your brows for 3 days and it will gradually start to fade, and after 3 days you have to reapply it. So this is how the formula works. And if you have very thin brows or if you have very sparse brows, you can apply with the brush as well. I applied with the brush which comes with it, the applicator itself, and then I tried drawing the usual areas like usual shape. I did not disturb my shape of my brows. I just wanted to tint how the shape of my brow is. So I tinted it and I left it for 20 minutes and I started peeling it off. So at starting it looks beautiful. The tint was there, it was looking that I have filled my brows, it was looking good in shape, and I love the product. Now for the second day, the tint was there, only area it was faded on this part of my brows. It started to fade like a little bit on this part. This was still looking fuller, but this part of my brows started to fade. Now third day also it was holding good. Like in this brow it was holding good, but again this was because of this part of my brows has a lot of sparse area, so it was not looking full. And today is the third day of trying this one, so it's looking good, it's holding good. But I have also applied a brow tint to my brow setting gel to my eyebrows to give it a fuller effect, because I was losing a tint on this side of my brows. Other than that, the product works beautifully. If you love fuller looking brows, you can try this one. I will leave the link of where to buy and all that stuff in the description box. Overall, I like the product, how it works. It's very easy to apply, it's mess free, and it's going to tint your brows for 3 days. Only disappointment of this product is that longevity. I hope it would have lasted a little longer for a week or 10 days, so that it would be easy to apply. Like every 3 days or 4 days you have to reapply. So I'll be continuously using it till I get out of it, and I like the product genuinely, and I like what kind of the kind of effect it gives to my brows. And that's all. And if you like this video or if you find this video helpful, make sure to click on the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.